Hello everyone, welcome to Clara's Feng Shui Cafe. When analyzing houses Feng Shui, there are many factors we need to take into consideration, such as the house's flying stars, the 5-element cycle, the directions, life gua number, and bagua map. But there's one thing that people tend to forget. That is our zodiac animal sign. When choosing a house with good feng shui, we also need to make sure that our animal sign also matches with our house's sitting direction. Let me give you an example. If your animal sign is rat, then your house sitting direction should not be in the south, where horse is located. This is because in the 12 animal signs, rat and horse conflict with each other. In other words, your house cannot be sitting in the direction that conflicts with your own zodiac animal sign. No matter how much you like the house, it's not considered good feng shui. In this video, I'll show you an easy method to check if the sitting direction of your house is in conflict with the position of your animal sign. According to the Chinese calendar, each of us has a zodiac animal sign based on our year of birth. There are a total of 12 zodiac signs. They are rat, ox, tiger, rabbit, dragon, snake, horse, goat, monkey, rooster, dog, and pig. On the Feng Shui compass, we can find the exact positions of the 12 animal signs. However, the 12 animal signs are represented by the 12 earthly branches. Starting from the earthly branch, Zi is in the north, and it represents rat. Moving clockwise direction, Chou is in the northeast, and it represents ox. Next, we have Yin. Yin is also in the northeast, and it represents tiger. Mao is in the east and represents rabbit. Chen is in the southeast and it represents dragon. Si is also in the southeast and it represents snake. Wu is in the south and it represents horse. Wei is in the southwest and it represents goat. Shen is also in the southwest and represents monkey. You is in the west and represents rooster. Xu is in the northwest and it represents dog. Finally, we have Hai. Hai is in the northwest and it represents pig. Among the 12 animal signs, there are 6 pairs that are conflicting with each other. Conflicting animal signs are quite easy to remember because each pair is 180 degrees opposite each other on the Luopan compass. As we can see, Zi and Wu are opposite each other, therefore rat and horse conflicts with each other. Moving clockwise direction, Chou and Wei are opposite each other, therefore ox and goat are conflicting each other. Yin and Shen are opposite each other, so that tiger and monkey are in conflicts. Mao and You are opposite each other, so that rabbit and rooster are in conflicts. Chen and Xu are opposite each other, so that dragon and dog are opposing each other. Finally, Si and Hai are opposite each other, so that snake and pig are in conflicts. Now we know the locations of the animal signs on the Feng Shui compass and the 6 pairs of conflicting animal signs. Now you can check if your animal sign is in conflict with your house's sitting direction. Remember that your animal sign should not conflict with the animal sign located in your house's sitting direction. If your zodiac sign is rat, then your house should not be sitting south where horse is located, because rat and horse are conflicting with each other. Moving clockwise direction, if your animal sign is ox, then your house should not be sitting southwest where goat is located. If your animal sign is tiger, then your house should not be sitting southwest either, because that's where monkey is located, and monkey is in conflict with tiger. If your animal sign is rabbit, then your house should not be sitting west, where rooster is located. If your animal sign is dragon, then your house should not be sitting northwest, where dog is located. And if your animal sign is snake, then your house should not be sitting northwest either, because pig is also in this direction and is in conflict with snake. If your animal sign is horse, it's better that your house is not sitting north, where rat is located. If your animal sign is goat, then your house should not be sitting northeast, where ox is located. And if your animal sign is monkey, then your house should not be sitting northeast, where tiger is located. If your animal sign is rooster, then your house should not be sitting east, where rabbit is located. And if you're born in the year of dog, then your house should not be sitting southeast, where dragon is located. And finally, if your animal sign is pig, then your house should not be sitting southeast either, because snake is in conflict with pig. If you like my video, please give me a thumb up and subscribe to my channel.